Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you one of SellerPic's powerful features that can transform your product photos into high-resolution images, the Image Enhancer function. Let's dive right in. For today's demonstration, I've already uploaded a photo of a wristwatch that I quickly took with my smartphone. Now let's select 4K resolution and watch the AI work its magic. While we're waiting, let me explain what these resolution options mean. 1K provides a good balance for standard product listings, 2K offers excellent clarity for detailed products, and 4K delivers ultra-high definition perfect for showcasing premium items or creating zoom-enabled product views. For this second example, I've uploaded a photo of a necklace. I'll choose 2K resolution, since it's perfect for jewelry items where we want to show intricate details while keeping the file size manageable. Perfect! Our first image is ready. Let's take a look at the before and after. Wow! Look at the difference. The watch now looks incredibly detailed in 4K resolution. You can see every element of the watch face clearly, and the band's texture is perfectly defined. It's the same product, but now customers can see every detail in ultra-high definition. Now let's check our second image at 2K resolution. Again, amazing results. Every link in the chain is crystal clear, and you can see the fine details of each gemstone. This level of clarity helps customers make confident purchase decisions. Here's a pro tip. Image Enhancer is perfect for upgrading your entire product catalog. If you have existing photos that need higher resolution, you can batch process them through the enhancer to upgrade your entire store's image quality. High-resolution product images are crucial for e-commerce success. When customers can zoom in and see clear, detailed views of your products, they're more likely to make a purchase. This is especially important for products with intricate details or textures. The Image Enhancer tool works great with all types of product photos: jewelry, clothing, electronics, home goods, and more. It's particularly valuable for sellers who want to provide zoom functionality or showcase fine details in their product listings. Another great use is preparing images for different marketplace requirements. Some platforms require specific image resolutions, and with Image Enhancer, you can quickly upscale your photos to meet these requirements without losing quality. If you want to provide the best possible viewing experience for your customers, SellerPic's Image Enhancer is an essential tool in your e-commerce toolkit. It delivers high-resolution results instantly, with no technical expertise needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing e-commerce tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.